The people and resources used to produce goods around the world are becoming more important to businesses and consumers. Do you know how and where your products are being made? Supply chains are long and complex. It is difficult to clearly see the working conditions at each stage of production. Sedex can help your business connect with your suppliers and buyers and increase visibility of your supply chain. Sedex is a global membership organization that helps identify and manage ethical sourcing risks, improving business practices. We can help you safeguard the human rights of people, create safe working conditions, measure your environmental impact, uphold business ethics, and avoid corruption. Sedex operates one of the world's largest online platforms for sharing and analyzing ethical supply chain information. Our services are used by tens of thousands of members in over 150 countries. Buyers and suppliers across 35 industries can manage their sites with our self-assessment questionnaire and SMETA audit. This can be shared with multiple customers, reducing audit duplication. Our tools, training and guidance will support your continuous improvement in responsible business practice. We can help you manage a sustainable supply chain and be confident in your ethical standards. Become a Sedex member and develop your business for the future.